I'm Raquel Graham from Press Tin Panels. We want to show you, because a lot of people out there think that powder coating cracks and does all sorts of things when it's folded. We get asked this question most days of the week. We want to just show you, this is just a sample from one of our drawers that we send out to people. We just want to show you with this piece of metal, simply folded over a straight edge. You can see it up a little bit closer, if we can zoom in on it, that it's got no cracks, no nothing on it. It's just a bit of alloy, powder coated. What I'm going to do is do an external fold, just simply like that. It won't get a perfect fold there because I haven't actually scored the back edge on that. It'll show you there, nothing happening. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now just go back to an external fold. Sorry, that first one was an internal fold. My bad there. Nothing at all happening there with that powder coating. We'll refold it again. Pop it back over again. Do it as an internal. So you can see that we've folded that a number of times there. Nothing is happening. We'll flatten it back out. We haven't folded it. Some people probably think, they always ask us, do we need to fold on the crease of the patterns? No, you don't have to at all. That's nearly impossible to work out. We can see there that there's nothing at all happening with that powder coating. In Bathurst outside, as Bathurst most people know, doesn't have the best climate. It's actually 3 degrees outside at the moment. We usually recommend to either pop your panels outside, get them warm, or use a heat gun to warm them up. We'll use a hairdryer if you haven't got a heat gun, just to warm the surface up. But we haven't done any of that here this morning, and it's very cold outside. So yeah, hopefully people know that you can fold your powder coating, and hopefully that helps to dispel all of those bad things that some people are putting out there. It is able to be folded.